Before words existed, how did humans understand each other? No alphabet, no grammar, no spoken language at all. And yet early humans hunted together, raised families, and built communities. So how did they do it? Today, we uncover the mystery of the first human words. Imagine living 200,000 years ago. You see a predator approaching. You cannot shout, "Run." You cannot say danger. So what do? Early humans relied on something we still use today. Body language, a raised hand, a pointing finger, wide eyes, sudden movement. These signals carried life or death information instantly understood by everyone in the group. But body language has a limit. It only works when people can see each other. So humans developed something else. Sounds, not words, just sounds, a sharp grunt for danger, a soft hum for safety, a loud cry for help. Scientists studying primates today see the same thing. Chimpanzees and gorillas use specific calls for specific threats, one sound for snakes, another for eagles. Early humans likely did the same, slowly building a library of meaningful sounds. Many scientists believe language did not start with sounds at all. It started with gestures. Think about it. Pointing at an object. Mimicking an action like pretending to throw a spear to mean hunt. Tracing shapes in the air to describe an animal's size. This is called the gesture theory, and it explains why even today people from different countries who do not share a language can still communicate using hand movements and facial expressions. So how did sounds eventually become words? Scientists believe it happened through repetition. If a certain grunt was always made while pointing at water over generations, that grunt became the word for water. This is called sound symbolism. Even today, certain sounds feel connected to their meaning across almost every language on Earth. Words for small often use high-pitched sounds. Words for big often use deep, low sounds. This pattern exists in languages that have never had contact with each other, suggesting something ancient, hardwired into the human brain itself. Here is where it gets even more fascinating. Scientists discovered a gene called FOXP2, sometimes called the language gene. Humans have a unique version of this gene that allows for the fine muscle control needed for speech. Neanderthals, our closest ancient relatives, also had this gene. This means they may have had some form of spoken communication too. But here is the mystery: we will never know what their language sounded like. No recordings, no writing, just silence buried in time. So the next time you speak a single word, remember, that word is the result of millions of years of evolution. Of grunts, gestures, and sounds slowly shaping into language. Humans found a way to connect long before they had the words to do it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to HashCore for more untold stories and mysteries every week.